How do I add the contents of an iterable to a set? What is the 1. Obvious way to add all items of an iterable to an existing set? Use list comprehension. Short-circuiting the creation of iterable using a list, for example, smiley face. Edit, missed the set part of question.
You can add elements of a list to a set like this.
You can use the set function to convert an iterable into a set, and then use standard set update operator, #smiley, to add the unique values from your new set into the existing one.
For the benefit of anyone who might believe, e.g., that doing aset.add in a loop would have performance competitive with doing aset.update, here's an example of how you can test your beliefs quickly before going public. Looks like the cost per item of the loop approach is over 3 times that of the update approach. Using =set costs about 1.5x what update does, but half of what adding each individual item in a loop does.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.